How does it feel to have a lab in the ocean? I'm an oceanographer. I love going to sea, strangely.
Yeah, well, we arrived in Guam to learn that a typhoon was bearing down on the island.
Typhoon Infa came through the region just south of us. And so we were forced to leave port a day early, tied everything down instead of setting everything up, and off we went. And the first few days are, well, basically hell.
It was actually really hard. It was a little bit rougher than it normally would be at the start of a cruise, so I think for everybody it was quite an adjustment.
Once the weather calmed, like it is now, we started to set all our equipment up, and we started to put things in the water, and we checked to see if they worked. In the case of the AUV, it had some problems, which is why we want to get it in the water early in a cruise. But now we've sorted out those problems, and now life is starting to get regular at sea. We have a pattern.
10 minutes to science, everybody.
On this cruise, we're in a place called the Mariana Back Arc.
So this is what it would look like if you could see through the ocean and see the seafloor. The Mariana Back Arc is where the upper plate here is spreading. So the part to the right is moving to the right, part to the left is moving to the left, causing the hydrothermal vents that we're hunting for.
We like to understand what their impact is on ocean chemistry, what their impact is on seafloor biology, how it affects the distribution of life on Earth, how it nurtures these unique ecosystems, and also how it generates mineral ore deposits.
We think that the back arc is a very different hydrothermal and biological environment than the volcanic arc that we know more about. The arc and the back arc are very close together in some places, but they have very distinct and different biological communities that live at the hydrothermal vents. When you're exploring a site for the first time, you don't know what you're going to find. That's partly exciting, partly it's a little scary because nothing's guaranteed.
We've built up a knowledge base, we've built up some understanding of what's going on, so when it comes down to compromising, you can look at a map, one of these beautiful multi-beam maps that we've created, and you can say, that really looks much more exciting than that.
Yeah, the thing about the crew on the RV Falkor is that they're all very interested to get involved in the science and to learn about what we're finding while we're out here.
They've started up a pool as to where the biggest area of hydrothermal activity will be. What I find when things are going well is we're all working to support each other.
We tow our CTD instrument through the water column up and down to look for hydrothermal plumes. After that, we use the Sentry AUV to do the same thing, and we're using the Sentry in deeper water than the CTD can go. And the third thing is using our trace metal CTD to look for hydrothermal plumes in the upper ocean that are coming from the arc.
So for me, I love exploring the unknown. I love volcanoes, and I love chemistry. And I use all those tools, all those loves, to try and understand the unknown, to explore what lies beneath the sea's surface so that we can understand our planet Earth so much better.